Next, let's install and set up ComMarker Studio. Plug in the power cable. Plug in the data cable. Insert the USB drive. Turn on the laser machine for Windows. Copy the USB files to the computer. Open the ComMarker software folder and run the installer. Follow the prompts and click Next or Install. A desktop shortcut will appear after installation. If installation fails, to get the latest version, visit ComMarker.com. Download software for Windows. Unzip the installation package. Launch ComMarker Studio. For Mac, copy the USB files to your computer. Open the ComMarker software folder. Double-click ComMarker Studio Installer. Then drag the ComMarker Studio icon into the Applications folder. If a warning appears, go to System Preferences, Security, and Privacy. Then click Open anyway. Then click Open. Agree to the disclaimer. To get the latest version, visit ComMarker.com. Download software for Mac. Then finish the installation. Understanding the machine via software. Apply ComMarker Studio when connecting for the first time. Load the device parameters when prompted. Then restart the software. Click Create to start. Menu functions include File, Import, Language Selection, View Options, Saving or Loading Controller Board Profiles. Device settings contain critical parameters necessary for the machine's operation. They are protected by password to prevent accidental changes. Field determines the working area and focus characteristics for the selected lens. Different lenses affect coverage area and energy density. The other functions are basic settings for the machine. Most of these settings do not require adjustment unless instructed by technical support. Let's explore ComMarker Studio. With ComMarker Studio, you can make different designs, such as text, draw a pattern, adjust an image, import a vector, design a code, use ideas from the gallery, engrave a relief, glass inner engraving. Next, let's look at the key engraving parameters and their functions. Laser engraving relies on focused energy. Correct parameter selection determines quality and safety. Mode selects the engraving pattern. Speed affects throughput and surface appearance. Frequency controls pulse density. Pulse sets the duration of each pulse. Short pulses for fine detail. Longer pulses for deeper marks. Interval controls the spacing between lines. Smaller values mean denser fills. Pass sets how many times the laser repeats the same pass. Continuous mode keeps the laser on. Material library provides a starting point for setting engraving parameters. Preview draws a non-engraving outline to confirm placement. Focus adjusts the laser head to bring the beam to correct focal distance. Start launches the job. Let's do a first run to better understand how it works by doing a text engraving on a metal card. Place a metal card from the material pack. Under the red alignment dot, click Focus. If out of focus, click the up or down button, then click Focus again. Click Text, then click on the canvas to place it. Apply Fill to convert it into a filled vector object. Confirm lens selection matches the installed lens. Click Preview and use the Preview helper to verify position. If needed, resize your text and preview again until the size is correct. Input the following parameters. Close the safety door. Then press Start to begin engraving. Once engraving is complete, open the safety door and take out the material to check the engraving. This chapter concludes the initial setup and first run demonstration. If you encounter any issues, please contact support at ComMarker.com.